I heard that Babu is telling that I will make this state America, but if he also distributes such type of freebies, then it will become Venezuela or Sri Lanka और इससे अलावा क्या होगा? For that, this land grabbing, sand mafias, and law and order are big problems in Andhra Pradesh because of YSRCP party. They will loot us and they will cheat us. So that is the problem of Andhra Pradesh. इंटी इंटी की बीजेपी, गड़ब गड़ब को बीजेपी, गुंडे गुंडे को बीजेपी अभियान. हम हर घर में जाएंगे, हर दरवाजे पर जाएंगे, हम हर व्यक्ति के हृदय में बीजेपी को लेकर जाएंगे. We are with Janasena, Janasena with us. Pawan Kalyan Garu is a very good leader, he is a popular leader. He is with Bharatiya Janata Party, he will be with Bharatiya Janata Party. Telugu Desam has officially not declared discontinued ties with Congress in Telangana. Then Karnataka election, the chief of Telugu Desam Karnataka has said, their statement tells that they are against Bharatiya Janata Party. So BJP is going with Janasena, that is for sure. What Narendra Modi Garu has done in 9 years, it is totally insufficient. Because while I was looking at every slide could have counter hundreds of slides. So huge work by Narendra Modi ji for this country and Andhra Pradesh as well. Andhra Pradesh BJP has already published a separate book in Telugu at the hands of JP Nadda ji. What BJP has done for Andhra Pradesh. You have already got that book. So this 1 month, number of programs BJP is going to conduct across the state. There will be public meetings at district level. Every district level there will be a big public meeting in coming 1 month's time. We are going to contact 1,000 prominent people in every Lok Sabha area. 1,000 prominent people we are going to meet one-on-one, personally, in their families with their family members and give a Karapatrakam to them. From 20th to 30th of June, 10 days, there will be इंटी की बीजेपी, गड़ब गड़ब को बीजेपी, गुंडे गुंडे को बीजेपी अभियान. हम हर घर में जाएंगे, हर दरवाजे पर जाएंगे, हम हर व्यक्ति के हृदय में बीजेपी को लेकर जाएंगे. Some clusters are managed by party and different ministers are going to visit, central ministers with some national office bearers. Union Minister who is in charge of Andhra Pradesh, V. Muralidharan ji, will be coming to Kakinada. Also, National General Secretary Dushyant Kumar Gautam ji will be visiting Kakinada soon. Dr. Bharti Pawar will be visiting few Lok Sabha constituencies. Devu Singh Chauhan ji will be visiting some Lok Sabha constituencies. Like that, Union Ministers also will be visiting the state. There is a probability of a big public meeting of Amit Bhai Shah ji or JP Nadda ji in our state in coming 1 month. In this way, across the country, BJP is going to people and awaken them and thank them for their support to Narendra Modi ji, electing him as Prime Minister with complete majority. And obviously we are expecting that next year in 2024, BJP will form government with 2/3 majority at center. We are with Janasena, Janasena with us. Pawan Kalyan Garu is a very good leader, he is a popular leader. He is with Bharatiya Janata Party, he will be with Bharatiya Janata Party. About going to other party, you go and ask question to him. We are not going. Telugu Desam has officially not declared discontinued ties with Congress in Telangana. Then Karnataka election, the chief of Telugu Desam Karnataka has said that we have played our role to defeat Bharatiya Janata Party in Telangana along with Congress. although it is not true, they don't have that power to defeat BJP or to win Congress in Karnataka, but their statement tells that they are against Bharatiya Janata Party. So BJP is going with Janasena, that is for sure.
Sir,
I have heard that they are giving so many freebies. So, ये तो freebies are dangerous. What Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has ruined the state because of these freebies only. Today the state is becoming bankrupt, and I heard that Babu is telling that I will make this state America, but if he also distributes such type of freebies, then it will become Venezuela or Sri Lanka, और इससे अलावा क्या होगा? See, first we should think about how money will come to Andhra Pradesh. We should give conducive atmosphere to business community, industries, they should come. For that, this land grabbing, sand mafias and law and order are big problems in Andhra Pradesh because of YSRCP party. And so businessmen are running out of Andhra Pradesh. Although there was a big investor meets in Visakhapatnam, but the result finally is zero. People are telling, yes, we will come, nobody is coming. Because when they go into nitty-gritty, they understand that we cannot invest here. Rather, whatever we will bring, they will loot us and they will cheat us. So that is the problem of Andhra Pradesh.
thanks.
My speech, 90% criticism is YSRCP. And when you asked about TDP, I told about TDP. So it is TDP narrative what you are telling, that we are only criticizing TDP. It is not at all. YSRCP is the main political opponent of Bharatiya Janata Party, and we are here to defeat YSRCP. We have to uproot this YSRCP Prabhutvam, which is engaged in religious conversion, because of which the Hindutva has come in danger in Andhra Pradesh. I am here near from Antarvedi. Who is the person who burned the chariot? Where is he? Why CBI? What is your police department doing? Why they are getting salaries? You cannot find one person who burned the chariot. For that you want CBI. Wrong. You don't want to find out that person because it is a conspiracy. Who beheaded Kodanda Reddy's Kodanda Ram, this idol in Ram Tirtham? You are not finding the culprit. You are giving money for new mandir. You are giving money for new murti. You are giving money for new ratham. But the person who destroyed, the person who burned, he is roaming freely. So what he will do? He will again go and he will burn new chariot. He will again go and destroy new murti. So government's duty is not providing money for chariot and mandir. Its duty is to find out the culprit, which Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu's police is not doing. He is paying salary to pastors. He is appeasing minorities. Bharatiya Janata Party, in its resolution, we have said that after coming to power in Andhra Pradesh, we are going to stop 4% reservations to Muslims. We are going to stop the reservation. We are going to bring a law against conversion in Andhra Pradesh. These are all things against YSRCP.